people, how are you doing today? Okay, today you are going to cook with Floxy. And what are we going to cook today? Okay, we are going to cook with pumpkin leaf. You know, just like I told you the other time, from Anambra State, we Anambra people like using cooking ofed castor pears. There's ugiribo. We normally cook it with bitter leaf. There's onubu or ham, maybe salad. But today I'm going to teach you a new thing. How many of you know that you can use a pumpkin leaf only without adding otaze or oziza or any other thing? Just pumpkin leaf to cook ofed. Join me. We are going to cook pumpkin leaf ofed. Keep joining me. Every week we'll be bringing you new delicacies. Welcome aboard. I have the ingredients. I have my ingredients here. This is cocoyam. Ede. I have already pounded it. You can see it's well pounded. It's my crayfish pounded. I pounded it manually. I didn't use a blender. My seasoning, Mr. Chef, chicken flavor, the best among all. If you don't make use of it, you are missing a lot. This will give your food that taste you so much desire. The aroma, the flavor that will be oozing out from your food. Oh my God, you are missing a lot. So Mr. Chef is my brand, especially this chicken flavor. Don't joke with it, okay? This is my Cameroon pepper. This one is so pepperish. I prefer this more. Even though fresh pepper is nice, but I like using this. Everyone in his or her own choice. This is my palm oil. The salt, Mr. Chef salt. Mr. Chef is just my brand. Salt, spices, seasoning. In fact, a pinch of this gives that your food the taste that is out of this world. If you want the food to be so delicious and taste differently, use Mr. Chef. You can see the pumpkin leaf, well sliced and washed. See the protein here, the fish and the meat already boiled and being kept aside. Okay, join us in the cooking. Okay, so this is the water gotten from the meat, though I've added water to it because I wanted to start adding the cocoyam, but I said let me first of all list out the ingredients so that you can try it yourself at home. Okay, so cooking begins. So you can see my the water here. I will be adding cocoyam. Here we go. Adding the cocoyam already. Here we go. Try this at home and give me your testimony. Don't just be eating only bitter leaf, or hard soup, sour soup. No, you can still cook ofed with pumpkin leaf, not only bitter leaf. So you can see I'm putting this cocoyam well pounded here already. Let me just add the water. Okay, so the cocoyam is boiling. It has boiled for about 10 minutes. I just added small water. Next thing I will add now is I will add crayfish to it. My pounded crayfish. You can see putting the crayfish here. Putting it here. Okay, I'll still list out the ingredients again for you to know how to cook ofede with pumpkin leaf. It's not every time you're cooking ofede with bitter leaf, onubu, or nsala, using osisi and the rest of them. So next thing on the list is we add the pepper. This pepper, this one is so I'll just add like 2 spoons of it. I like my soup and whatever thing I'm eating to be peppery, sure. Okay, so you can see I've just finished adding the pepper. You can see it there. I will stir this thing, even if I did not stir it, it will still mix properly as it is boiling. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna add is my oil. I'll add the oil. You can see I'm already adding it. I'll allow it to boil. See, so let it continue boiling. Allow it to boil. I don't need to. I told you before, I have been cooking all the time. So I know the amount of, I don't need to measure all those things. So I forgot to tell you about my castor pest, top pest. You can see the castor pest. Ogiri from Anambra State. This one is men ogiri from Anambra State. If you put it in, just open it, and not even the cup one. It was sent to me directly from Anambra State. I want to use the leaf. I think plantain leaf to fold it. I just emptied it here, and I did not inform you earlier. So it's the main ingredient. You cannot cook ofede without adding ogiri. And some of you that will say ogiri is smelling. This is so nutritious. So the smell, the aroma it will give to the food, and then the taste is something else. So if you are cooking your ofede, you are not using this thing, you are just missing a lot. Okay, so we start here. Added the ogiri. You can see I've added the ogiri here. You can see it, because I need to allow it to boil for like 15 minutes to mix properly before we come back and then add the vegetable. The veggie will be the last one. So more time to add this the best seasoning product in the whole world. If you don't agree with me, you can go to court. Like they normally say, go to court. This chef, Mr. Chef, is the best product I have used, and I have been using it for like 5 good years or more than even 6 years or 7. I can't really recall, but it's been a long time. And the thing is just giving me what I want. The taste is out of the world. Okay, you can see the soup is already boiling. So it's time to add 4 seasoning cube, Mr. Chef seasoning cube. You just do the work. Just give it a try. You're not using it, you're making a big mistake. You can see? See, Mr. Chef. Crush it. Yeah, I like crushing my own. I don't like putting it like that because it might not dissolve on time. So you crush it properly using your hands. Crush it properly. Crush it properly. Is boiling, giving me what I want. I wish you are here with me. The aroma I'm perceiving here is something else, out of the world. Still, Mr. Chef. I can't do without this. Remember, it has the beef flavor, but this one is chicken. I prefer chicken because it gives me what I want. 110%. The other one is also good. The beef is also good, very nice. I've used it once, but everyone has choice. So you can see the thing is boiling. Now I'm going to cover the pot to allow it to boil properly, like 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes, this cocoyam paste will dissolve properly. The ingredients I've just added here, all of them will mix properly before I will add the protein, and then the vegetable comes last. So let me close my pot. Okay, so the soup is actually, you can see the cocoyam has dissolved, the ingredients has dissolved, everything has mixed up. So next thing is to add my protein, which I'm going to add now. Adding my protein, adding my protein, adding my protein. Adding my protein to it. Meat and fish, mangara fish, steamed properly, still with chef Mr. Chef chicken seasoning. So next is just to allow it to boil. Like this one will just boil like 2 minutes. Remember, I have not added salt. I've told you before. Anytime I'm cooking, I don't add the salt immediately, because I steamed the meat properly with salt. I steamed it with salt. So I will allow it to boil. And remember, my vegetable washed with salt too. So at the end of it, after adding everything, I will then test it to know the amount of salt I will add. Sometimes after cooking, discover that everything is set. You don't even need to add again. So I'll cover the pot. It's going to boil like 3 to 5 minutes before I will add the vegetable, the pumpkin leaf, and so be it. Oh my God! See the aroma too. Oh my goodness. Okay, time to add my pumpkin leaf. And then after adding it, I will just add allow it to simmer for like 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so here we go. My pumpkin leaf in my offered, not all the time bitter leaf. No, like this one too. You don't need to add this pumpkin leaf. You don't need to add another vegetable. I mean, some people will add, maybe add what do you call it, okazi leaf, or these roses. No, just pumpkin leaf. Oh, just try this. You come and thank Wanya Anambra. You come and thank Wanya Anambra. Madam Floxy. Come and thank Wanya Anambra. Oh my God. Hi. Are you seeing what I'm saw? If it is what's the name of this comic man? Zabrodai. You see what I saw? In Africa now. In Africa now. Oh, in Africa. Every time it's not bitter leaf. Every time it's not on her soup. You can actually cook over there with well prepared Anambra ogiri castor paste. Well prepared Anambra castor paste. You can see. I wish you are here with me with your plate. In fact, bring your plate in the comment section. I don't know, if you need any question, you can ask me. You know the ingredients I used. I showed you all the ingredients before I started the cooking. I started cooking properly. I showed you all the ingredients, so you can see. Oh, this meat, you won't forget them. Oh my God! And the mangala fish, parboiled or steamed properly with this thing. You can see. Just tell me now. Just tell me Ofe Wurugo sauce. Oh, this soup. The soup went where? Harvard. All got a Harvard. Come on. Let me check for salt to know the amount of salt I will add. Remember I told you I used salt to wash the vegetable properly and the meat steamed properly with salt too. So I always add salt last. So let me check to know the amount of salt I will add. Okay. Okay, I'll add the small salt. I'll add. Okay. This will be okay. And I don't need the scale to know the amount of salt I'll add. Everything is okay. And guess what? I'm gonna leave this for like 3 minutes. Since I put this thing, I think the 3 minutes is almost close. So let it boil for some time and the soup is ready. Soup is ready. Oh, my soup is ready. Pumpkin leaf ofede. Ofede ogo. Pumpkin leaf ofede. You can see. All gotta Harvard. It's all gotta get Harvard.